Hi, this is Jason with Boulevard Home. Today we're going to talk to you about Traeger pellets and answer some common questions, and also we'll be covering if you use another pellet, does it void your warranty or not? First, I'd like to tell you about the Traeger pellet. They use all natural hardwoods. They own their own mills. They use only virgin wood, and it is blended with the right amount of moisture to get that nice steam and smoke mixture that you're looking for in the Traegers. One question that's always asked is, if you use another brand of pellets, will that void your warranty? It will not. You just want to make sure that it is a food grade pellet and not for wood burning stoves. However, Traeger does recommend, as myself, to use the Traeger pellets because they are made specifically to give that natural wood flavor. The others, they have some fillers in them and you don't know exactly what you're going to be getting in them. With Traeger, you know 100% if it is pecan, it is from a pecan tree and so on. So I would recommend that you do use the Traeger pellets for that reason. We want to talk about proper pellet storage. Now, they are wood. If these things get wet, a good sign of a good pellet is if you soak them in water, they will puff up immediately. That means there's no fillers, binders in it. It is true wood. So can you keep them in the bag? I would probably recommend that you not do that. You want to store them. You can use a 5-gallon bucket. Make sure that the lid is on there. They're airtight. Traeger does have great pellet storage bins. One bag will fit in that. The main reason you don't want to leave them in the bag is, even though you can roll the top down, they are not airtight. If you leave them on your patio, the sprinkler can overspray into them, a rainstorm, just humidity, depending on where you live in the country and what time of year it is, they will soak up that moisture, and then your pellets will not be as effective, if they'll even work after that. Another question we get on pellets is, how much am I going to use? How much do I need? So it ranges depending on what you're going to do. If you've got a Traeger with a super smoke, you're going to use about a ½ pound an hour. It's going to get that better smoke flavor. On average, for most cooks, you're going to plan on about a pound an hour. So make sure you got plenty of pellets in there, especially if you're doing your briskets or pulled pork. They take a lot longer. Make sure your hopper is full. Watch your levels on that and make sure you've got backup to keep it full. But again, it's about a pound an hour on average is what you can count on for any cook. So another common question we get is, what pellet do I use? Well, they're on the bag. It's going to show you the different types of meats. Remember, you can do sweets, you can do breads on these as well. So if you want to know, look on the bags and see what's on there. Is there a chicken? Is there a cow? Is there a pig? It'll tell you what pairs best with what meats and what you're trying to cook. Also keep in mind, use your imagination and know your audience. Who are you cooking for? What flavor are you looking for at the end of the day? Some people really like the hickory. Myself, I love the signature blend. It's kind of a blend of some good things and just gives an all-around good flavor. So bottom line, have fun and don't overthink it. So I hope that helps you with some of your Traeger pellet questions. Please leave us some comments. If you have any questions, anything we didn't answer here, we always love to see those, and don't forget to like and subscribe.